In this video, we'll show you how to pair with and set the schedule on the Kylo oil-filled radiator. First of all, click the power switch on the side of the unit. The heater will automatically enter pairing mode after a few seconds. On your smart device, open the Ecoso app, click the Add Device button, select the heater as it appears, and enter your Wi-Fi information, remembering to be on a 2.4 GHz connection. Click Next. The heater will now pair with the app. This process may take a few seconds, but once complete, click Done. To set a schedule, open the Ecoso app and select the heater. Press the timer button and select the Add button. You will now add your start time for your schedule. Select the days of the week you wish for this to repeat. If required, you can add a note or name the schedule. Select whether or not you want a notification when the schedule starts, and select that you want the heater to switch on. We'll then add a second schedule. This will be the shut-off time for the heater. Select the days of the week. Next, we'll select the switch to off because we want the heater to turn off at this time. Add a note if required. And also select a notification if needed. Once complete, click Save. You can also select as many additional schedules as you require. Just to note, the schedule will automatically run at the last temperature the radiator was operated at. In this instance, that would be 21 degrees.